guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today I'll be making a tutorial on how to make a braided wig for beginners. So guys, if you want to see a beginner friendly video on how to make a braided wig, keep watching. Please don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to my channel. So guys, this is actually my first time in making a braided wig, and today I'll be making a braided twist wig. Okay guys, so guys, for this tutorial you will need some U-part wig. As you can see, I placed the U-part wig on top of a mannequin and I pinned it down using a T-pin. And you're also going to need a crochet hook, some attachments, and so guys, having said that, I'm just showing you guys the braided wig I've done so far. Okay, so guys, let's get started. So guys, now you're going to pass the crochet hook through the wig cap. Okay, as you can see, you just need to gently pass the crochet hook onto the wig cap. Okay, as you can see, I'm making a very beginner friendly video. Then take a little pieces of attachments. Okay, as you can see, then pass it through the hook. Okay, bring it out, then place another attachment on top and then tie it. Okay guys, so guys, after that, then hold it very tight and start twisting. Okay, so guys, for this braided wig, you just need to hold it very tight. It's beginner friendly, and this is actually my first time of making a braided wig. Okay guys, and now you have to start twisting. Okay guys, keep twisting. As you can see, just keep twisting until you get to the end. So guys, as I said earlier, pass the crochet hook onto the wig cap, onto the U-part wig cap. Take a tiny piece of attachment, pass it through the crochet hook. Okay, bring it out just like that. Use a piece of attachment in the size you want to use for the twist of the braiding of the wig. Okay, tie it to secure it. Okay, then attach it to the attachment just like that, and then you can now start twisting your wig. Okay, so guys, now you just need to start keep on twisting, okay, onto the wig cap. And I think this video is when you've twisted and reached onto the U part of the wig, the place that have a light net to the wig cap. Okay, you just need to gently pass the crochet hook onto the wig net of the cap. Okay, as usual, take a tiny piece of an attachment, pass it through the crochet hook. Okay, so guys, you just need to take a size of an attachment in which you want your twist to be. Okay, then tie it up in order to secure the attachment onto the braided wig. Okay, and so guys, now you just need to start twisting. Okay, we are making a braided twist wig. Okay, so guys, you just need to keep on twisting, keep twisting, keep on twisting. Okay guys, and also, so guys, when you get to this U part of the wig, you need to line the twisting so that it can form a straight line, okay, at the center of the cap. So guys, as you guys can see how I lined it. Okay, how I lined the twist on the wig cap. Okay, so guys, this is to ensure that I have a neat finish. Okay, so that whenever any side I would like to part the braided wig, okay, it will come out nice. So guys, just keep on watching. Okay, place a tiny piece of an attachment onto the crochet hook, bring it out. Okay guys, then tie it up and place the size of an attachment in which you want your twist to be. Tie it and then keep on twisting. So guys, also you need to leave a tiny 1 or 2 bit of space. As you can see how I spaced out my braid. Okay, you can as well make your own to be closer. It depends on how much big or full you want your braided wig to be. Okay guys, just keep on twisting. Okay, take your time. Okay, keep on twisting, keep on twisting the attachments onto the wig cap. Okay, be gentle, take your time. Okay, keep on twisting, and then at the center you will have a straight line. Okay, so guys, in order to get a perfect straight line at the center, using a pencil or of a kind, you can just draw a straight line. Okay, in order to maintain the line in which you want the straight pattern to be. Okay guys, using this pathway gives you a more natural braided wig finish. Okay guys, just keep watching what I'm doing, and you just need to, after braiding, you need to trim it and then place it in hot water, not placing the whole of the braided wig, but placing the tail part of the wig, of the attachment braided onto the wig, in hot water. Okay, so guys, using a U-part wig gives you, U-part wig cap gives you a more natural finish if you are not making use of a frontal or a closure to braid. Okay, as you can see in the finished video. Okay, as you can see when I'm through, it gives you, using a U-part wig gives you a more natural finish, such as when you are using a frontal or a closure. So guys, I'm just showing you guys how the braided twist wig looks. Okay, now that I'm through with the braiding. Okay, so guys, the link to everything I use in this video on how to make a braided wig will be in the description. Please make sure you check it out. Thank you so much guys for watching. Please don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to my YouTube channel. So guys, also please follow me on my Instagram page, on my Twitter page, Facebook page, and on my Snapchat. Okay guys, so guys, thank you so much for your time. Thank you so much for watching. Okay guys, I just want us to be friends. Okay, bye bye.